And I've opted to try out the LiquiMoly. Okay, German-owned company, made in Germany. But this one has something pretty cool: molecular friction control. It's got MolyGen. So what does that mean? That means that if you have a leak somewhere and it's oil, you can shine a black light on it and it'll glow. So let's see what it looks like coming out. Well, that's completely different. Never seen stuff like this before. So we're gonna try this LiquiMoly out and see where it goes to from here. I'm using a 2011 370Z. Has roughly 74,000 miles on it. And talk to the rep. I'm down for trying new things. What do people say? Oil's oil. I mean, not every oil is made the same, but it is fully synthetic, which is a good thing. And like I said, it's something new technology out there. So here it goes. Feels like, or looks like I'm putting antifreeze in it, but I assure you, it's definitely not antifreeze. It's taking me a while, over a minute, just to pour it in from this jug. The cool thing is nowadays, instead of having 1 gallon jugs, they have the 5-quart. It's actually 5 liter, which is better because we have a Japanese cars and they are used to liters. Here it comes towards the end. This is going to be very interesting to check out. Oh, splashing. Maybe tonight I'll put a black light on it, see if we can't see some colors come out. But right now it is straight up. Too bright outside to do that. I know I should be talking through the whole process instead of you guys just watching oil leak out. Well, if you don't know who, if you haven't seen my car, done some changes to her. You know what? I took the orange blades off. Thanks to some of the friends that I know, I actually got a different front bumper because of the accident I had where I ran over a tread of tire. So the orange blades coming off, and the rest of the orange is going to be coming off soon with something else in mind. So stay tuned and we'll talk to y'all later. Thanks. It's a good opportunity to look at vehicles and see if I spilled any oil. Right now it doesn't look like. I know I had a little splash mark here or there, but the light that I have right now in front of me has a dual bulb setup. Has a bunch of LEDs, and it also has some UV LEDs. So let's take a look. This is what the oil looks like under UV light. I have a little dot right there, as you can see. But let's take a look. If I poured some of this oil into this cap here. Maybe I poured too much of it. There we go. So there you go. This is how you can identify if you have oil spills. So pretty neat stuff. This LiquiMoly. Let's go back to regular light mode. Just a nice way to identify oil leaks. And of course, like I said, they have their molecular friction control. And it's called MolyGen. I'm gonna try it out, see how the oil looks after about 3,000 miles, and we'll go from there. Thanks a lot. Have a good evening.